Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to speed up your cellular internet speed on any Android phone. So if you're using mobile data or cellular data on your Android phone and now you want to boost your mobile internet speed, follow these easy steps to easily boost your internet speed. First of all, go to your Android phone settings, and currently I'm using Samsung device. If you're using any other brand device, then the options would be a little bit different on your phone. Okay, once you are in your phone settings, go to connections and tap on mobile networks, and here tap on access point names, and now tap on add to create a new access point, and tap on name, and in this name field you have to add 4.4.8.8, then type 5G and tap on OK, and now tap on APN and here type 4.4.8.8, tap on OK, and tap on server, and here type www.google.com, tap on OK, and tap on APN type, and here type default, tap on OK, and tap on APN protocol type, and here select IP version 4/IP version 6, and then tap on APN roaming protocol, and here select IP version 4, then tap on barrier, and here you have to enable all of these options, then tap on OK. And after that, we have to save this profile. So tap on this three dot and just tap on save. Once you successfully created a new point access, now you have to select the new point access you just created. Once you select it, now you have to turn off your cellular data and you have to turn it back on after 2 or 3 minutes. And after that, it will boost your cellular internet speed. And if you're having any kind of issues with your cellular data or mobile data after selecting access new point, then you have to select the default one. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.